All right, well, right now I'm trying to get these old legs out of here. They're all badly messed up. There's hardly anything left of them. They're all completely rusted out. So anyway, I'm having to replace the old ones with these right here. This is the new style. I'm getting these off of Amazon, and they come with, you know, the feet and this insert right here. So you just, and it comes with the screws too. So you can just pop some more screws in there. And so it's hard part is just trying to get the old one out. All right, I'm gonna get back at it. Stay tuned.